what I want to do is I want to create a frame that goes up like this, comes across and then comes back down, so that I can rest my kayak on there and onto the frame so that it's a little bit more stable, and it also gives me this much room to put gears in. Normally a roof rack is around about $300, but that's just a waste of money. What I'm going to do is I just found some old fence posts, some old fence rail lying around the house, and I'm just going to cut them to size and hammer it together. It's a little bit twisted, so just trying to twist it so it's square. Just trying to square it up first. So one way that you can find that it's square is going corner to corner like that. I'm just going to put these support brackets on like that, and this will help it be a little bit stronger going side to side. That's the frame there, so I can take quite a bit of weight, of course, because it's timber. So I'm just going to put the kayak there. Now I need to figure out how I'm going to mount this onto the ute. Didn't want to put too much screw holes in this ute, so I just only put 3 screws in, so 1 on each corner like that, and then just 1 at the bottom, which is there. And that, surprisingly, is strong enough to hold it in place. Most of the weight is going to be going down, and braking and going, this structure here would be taking most of the work. Storing it upside down isn't going to work. The front's touching the cab. See what it's like storing it the right way up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a block on each end, stop it from doing that. The paddle's tied onto the frame, so that's not going to go anywhere. And these are tied on. I'll put blocks there to keep it on that angle, keep it upright. And then I just put a non-slip mat just under there. Quite steady. The trailer for the boat runs out of Warner Fitness this week. It has some issues with rust, so So it's going to take some time for me to fix that up. In the meanwhile, I'll use the kayak to go out. It's all set up now. Just need to paint the frame black and then it's all ready to go.